Hello everybody, today we are going to see about the unboxing video of Zybio Urea. Urea's GLDH method. This is a clinical chemistry product and biochemistry. This is the overall front view. In this front view we can see the brand name Zybio, product name Urea, Urea's GLDH method. Here we can see on the top we can see the short form of Urea kit, Urea's GLDH method. The reagent 1 contains 30 ml into 3, reagent 2 7.5 ml into 3, reference number 01.01.06.EC.01, and also we can see the lot number, manufacturing date and the expiry date also. Over here we can see this product, we should maintain the temperature of this product between 2 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius, and one instruction manual inside this kit. This is a C certificate IVD product. Over here we can see the manufacturing address, Zybio International. This kit is manufacturing from Republic of China. So the origin of the kit is Republic of China. This is our top view. On this side we can see the brand name Zybio. On the back we can see the product name, category name chemistry. On this side we can see the brand name Zybio. This is the overall view. I'm going to unpack this for your reference. After opening we can see after take this product we can see the brand name Zybio. Here we can see the product cat number 01.01.06.EC.01, reagent 30 ml into 3, 7.5 ml into 3 for Zybio EXC 200 and 220. This is the indent use. So these are the stuff inside this manual. I'm going to keep this aside. The next one we can see the reagent 1 Zybio Urea 30 ml into 3, and this side Zybio Urea reagent 2 7.5 ml into 3. Here we go for summary. Today we can see about Zybio Urea kit. This kit contains reagent 1 30 ml into 3, reagent 2 7.5 ml into 3. Here we can see 30 ml into 3 and 7.5 ml into 3, and also one instruction manual. This is the overall view. Thank you.